butt handed to them. Who makes all their guns and gunpowder? The British. As soon as we start fighting, that stuff's not going to come in. We have no manufacturers. We can't make cannons. We can't provide for a war. We need allies. Okay. And who do we want for allies? Or who do we start looking for allies? The French. Why would the French put up with a bunch of people screaming about the evils of monarchy? Who has the most powerful monarchy in Europe? The French. The French are not going to buy this crap that we've been spouting. Why would the French support it? Because they hate the British. Why will the Dutch support it? Because they don't like Britain. Will they defend a breakaway Republican rebellion? No. Will they defend and help a country that says they are independent? Yes. There's another reason, the stinking allegiance. Where is your legitimacy in any of this? You're running a bunch of local